Welcome back, pure structure traders, to another market analysis for the London session. Today is October 19, 2021 here in Hawaii, and will be October 20th, 2021 in London. Today we'll be going over S&P 500, gold, and also oil. Give you guys some of the levels that we'll be looking at. So again, if you guys do like these videos, please go ahead and smash that like button. If you are not subscribed to the channel yet, please go ahead and subscribe. Any questions you guys got, feel free to pop them in here on YouTube. We would love to get back to you guys. But with that said, let's go ahead and jump into it. So starting with S&P 500, had another nice bullish run today. Had some good long opportunities, and you can see we continued as high as somewhere around these 45, 17, 50s. I was anticipating around 08 into about 11, but we got even higher than that into these 17s. And again, we are looking for the market to try to find the support between a couple levels here. So for me, I do think we may end up finding this 08 to about 08.75 as a support opportunity here for a continuation long into our next level of resistance right around these 17 to about 20s, and we could see the market try to climb as high as these 31s right around this area. I am anticipating that we go bullish right into this area, and we may find some pretty strong resistance from there. I do think a very longer term area is going to be somewhere around 4,700 all the way up there, but we'll see if we can actually even get into these 45.31s first before we try to even look out for 4,700. But I think that we may end up going strongly bullish up into that level. I am looking for the market to find the support here at about these 08.75s and then bounce from there to continue into these 17 to 20s and then try to push through into these 31s. That's going to be my long idea. If not there, then we're going to look out right around these 90, I would say 98, 99s to about 0250 to find this support here, and then maybe try to continue the move from there. But right now, you can see we're finding a little bit of a struggle for these sellers to try to press past this area here of support at 0875. So we'll look out for that to be our support. Let's move over into a smaller chart here for you guys. So moving over into this area here on the smaller chart, zooming in for you guys, you could see bounced up a little bit, and we're looking to see if this catches a support. If it does, then we're going to look for a long opportunity to try to continue the push into these 17s. Yeah, sorry, move this red line into these 17 to about 20s. And then again, through that level is going to be right around those 31s for the opportunity for the extended bullish run there. Now, if we just fall right through, again, next level down is going to be somewhere around, for me, it's going to be somewhere around these 99 to about 02s, 0250. That's going to be my opportunity of a long from there. We'll see if we catch some bullishness here, maybe a double bottom, and that will be a good opportunity for us to bounce right back up from this area. So not too much going on S&P, pretty easy to see. Long opportunity for me is going to be coming in here, and we may end up trying to run this maybe overnight. We'll see if we'll get an opportunity to try to do that. I'm going to try to run it all the way through. If we do get a nice bounce of support, trying to get it up into those 31s. If we don't make it during the London session, we may see this try to continue during the US session into those 31s. So we'll keep that in mind as we're watching S&P, see if we get those bulls to come in. Moving over into gold. Let's see what we got here on gold. So gold trying to gradually pull up into the level of 1778. Again, that is going to be my resistance. So we'll see if we get into that area and then reject. May end up falling right back down from that area. So we'll see support coming in right now between these 1766.7s to about 1770.1. That's where we're finding a little bit of a zone of support there. I have a bigger level of support for me somewhere around these 1756.7s. And again, you could have a little bit of a closer area that may end up holding as closer support, 1761.5. So keep that as an area of support. If we come down into that level, we may end up bouncing right off of that level. So we'll keep that in mind as gold tries to move around. Let's take a look at a smaller chart here on gold. So gold, you can see on this smaller chart that we have starting to round out just a little bit. You can see a little bit of a micro area holding resistance these 1774.4s. Now we may end up turning down from this area, but again, that's going to be a micro area for me. I'm looking out for more of a major area here at these 78s and then look for a turn down from there. So we'll see if we get that opportunity. But again, support 1770.1, 1766.7. So again, you may see a bounce from here. If not there, look for the market to gradually pull down, get a little bit of a bounce right around this area of 66.7. If not, look for the market to try to come all the way down here into these 61s or 56s. That's our next levels of support down below. For those who want the continuation of the long week past 78, got to get on top of this level here and then find the support on top of that and continue it up into our next levels of resistance. So a little bit of a ways to go to want me to be bullish on gold. As of right now, I do think maybe we'll try to pull down a little bit more into our supports below. So we'll see if we get that opportunity there on gold. But let's move over to crude oil, see what's going on here on crude oil. So crude oil, been a little bit of stronger movement. We had nice support coming in 1830 to about 8130 to about 8129. Found nice support here and then bounced right back up. A little bit of an angled double bottom, pushed right back up. You can see didn't come all the way up to our resistance 83.14, but stopped a little bit shy, kind of sitting right around these 82.95. So a little bit of a zone there as resistance to try to pull us down. We'll see if we get this support at 81.95. If not, this market will end up trying to turn right back down into these 81.30s, and if not there, 80.84 is going to be our next level down below for the support to try to bounce. If we do get support off of one of these two levels, you can look for the market to try to push right back up into those 81.95s and then through that level back up into these 82.95s to about 83.14s here on crude oil. But that pretty much wraps it up for S&P 500, gold, and also oil. Again, if you guys do like these videos, please go ahead and smash that like button. If you are not subscribed to the channel yet, please go ahead and subscribe. Any questions you guys got, feel free to pop them in here on YouTube. We would love to get back to you guys. But with that said, again guys, if you guys continue to trade, make sure you guys trade well. You guys have a great night. Take care. Bye.